power bank works as a portable battery that stores electrical energy and later transfers it to charge electronic devices when needed. Inside the casing are rechargeable lithium-ion or lithium polymer cells, which are the same type of batteries used in many smartphones. These cells hold energy until the user connects a device, making the power bank act like an external energy reserve that can be carried anywhere. The process begins when the power bank itself is charged using a wall outlet, computer port, or even solar panels in some models. Electricity flows into the internal cells, where chemical reactions store the energy in a stable form until it is required later. When a phone or tablet is connected, the power bank converts that stored energy back into usable electricity. A built-in circuit manages this transfer, ensuring the right voltage and current reach the device without causing damage or overheating. Most modern power banks also include protective systems that prevent overcharging, short circuits, and deep discharge, which helps keep both the power bank and the connected device safe. Some even feature fast charging technology that delivers higher currents for quicker refueling of compatible electronics. Power banks are rated in milliampere hours or mAh, which shows how much charge they can hold before needing to be recharged themselves. A higher rating means more stored energy, allowing the device to charge multiple times before the power bank runs out. By combining large storage capacity with portability, power banks allow people to stay connected even when no outlet is nearby. In everyday life, a power bank works as a simple but vital tool, extending the use of phones, tablets, headphones, and other gadgets during travel, emergencies, or long days outdoors. It acts like a pocket-sized power station, providing energy on demand and giving people more freedom in a world that depends heavily on electricity. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.